Want to track visitor behavior, analyze conversions, and improve your website's marketing without manually adding scripts? Google Tag Manager makes it easy. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up Google Tag Manager in WordPress step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll have Google Tag Manager fully integrated and ready to track important website activities. Let's get started. Before we dive into the setup, let's quickly understand what Google Tag Manager (GTM) is and why it's essential. GTM is a free tool by Google that allows you to manage tracking codes, or tags, without modifying your website's code. You can easily integrate Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, conversion tracking, and more without cluttering your site with scripts. This improves site performance, streamlines marketing efforts, and helps track user interactions more effectively. Now, let's create a Google Tag Manager account. Step 1. Go to tagmanager.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Click on Create Account. Enter your account name, usually your business name, and select your country. Step 3. Under Container Setup, enter your website's URL and select Web as the platform, then click Create. Step 4. Accept Google's Terms of Service, and you'll get a code snippet. Keep this open as we'll use it soon. Now, let's integrate Google Tag Manager into WordPress. There are two methods, manually adding the code or using a plugin. Let's explore both. Method 1, manual installation, recommended for developers. Step 1, copy the first code snippet from Google Tag Manager and paste it right after the head tag in your theme's header.php file. Step 2. Copy the second code snippet and paste it immediately after the opening body tag in header.php or footer.php. Step 3. Save the changes and clear your cache. If you're not comfortable editing theme files, I recommend using a plugin. Method 2. Using a plugin, easier for beginners. Step 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins and click Add New. Step 2. Search for Google Tag Manager for WordPress and install the plugin by Thomas Geiger. Step 3. Activate the plugin, then go to Settings and click Google Tag Manager. Step 4. Paste your GTM container ID into the field and save changes. With this, Google Tag Manager is now installed on your WordPress site. Now that we've installed GTM, let's verify if it's working correctly. Step 1. Open your website in a new tab. Step 2. Right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Source or press Ctrl+U. Step 3. Search for GTM Container ID to see if the tracking code is present. Step 4. Alternatively, install the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension, enable it, and refresh your site. If GTM is installed correctly, it will appear in the extension's results. If you don't see GTM, try clearing your cache or rechecking the setup. Now that GTM is installed, let's add our first tag, Google Analytics 4, GA4. Step 1. Go to Google Tag Manager and click Tags and click New. Step 2. Name the tag Google Analytics 4, Page View. Step 3. Click on Tag Configuration and click Select Google Analytics, GA4 Configuration. Step 4. Enter your GA4 measurement ID, found in Google Analytics under Admin, and click Data Streams. Step 5. Under Triggering, select All Pages and click Save. Step 6. Click Submit and then Publish to activate the tag. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your first tag using Google Tag Manager. And that's it. You've now installed and set up Google Tag Manager in WordPress, added your first tracking tag, and verified the setup. Now, you can track events, set up remarketing, and integrate multiple marketing tools effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.